say it all the time, right? You can't overthink it, right? You can't overthink it. You literally just need to follow your edge. Don't put yourself in a bad scenario. You know what I mean? Literally, just follow your edge and execute. That's all we can do. We got a nice moving average cross here. We got a nice green bar that was ignored. The trend looks extremely healthy. At this point, I'm playing into 24344. SPY's definitely giving me some bearish vibes. Let's see what we get. If I'm in short on SPY, my stop's got to go right above open print. But that looks really nice on SPY right there. I had a really good fill here on Tesla. I got in around this 251 area. So let's see. Let's see what we get. Don't be afraid to let her breathe a little bit. You know, the biggest thing is not to watch profit. Don't watch profit. Literally, watch those candles. The candles are going to tell you everything that you need to know about the trade. Everything. It's why I love fitness so much. Anytime I'm in a trade, I'm literally just I'm working out. I'm just getting busy. 247. That's a really nice move off open print right there. That was tough. I stomped out right above this candle. And you know what though? The good news is I didn't put myself in a vulnerable scenario. It was just all execution. And that's all we could do, guys, is just execute day in and day out. Getting some nice selling here on SPY. Tesla, she's sinking a little bit. You got to take that short. That's, you know, you get the moving average cross. It comes up. Very nice. Very nice. Tesla's paying pretty well. I'm already up 26% on this trade. On Tesla. Tesla's a lot like SPX. It pays really quickly. Very quickly. You gotta be very disciplined with your stop. I mean, and that's just a part of trading for everybody. The stops, they're mandatory. You gotta allow yourself to get paid sometimes. Very nice push right there. Look at that. That's beautiful. Beautiful. 28%. Look at that. Look at that. Very nice. Keeping my stop exactly where it needs to be. Probably right outside that EMA cloud. Watching this 517.9 level. And once again, what do? We literally just followed our strategy. That's it. Follow the strat. The strategy does the thinking for you. Does all the work for you. And look at that trend, right? Look at how healthy the trend is. We're not extended. This is very nice. In the money here on Tesla contracts. Looking to take profit here in a little bit. SPY's getting a nice push. Very nice push. Look at that. 517.90 on Tesla. Let's get it. Or I'm sorry, on SPY. Stop's going to go right above that previous 5-minute candle. Not worried about pullbacks if the trend is healthy. If the trend's healthy, I'm not worried about no pullback, guys. That simple. that 1 hour looking like here on Tesla? Looks pretty good. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice on SPY. Look at SPY here. Going down to daily structure. Beautiful. Come on. SPY's pulling it. SPY's pulling it. I don't often trade Tesla, but when I do... yeah, just let the market do its thing. That's it, guys. That's it. I don't care about the money. I care about the system. That's it. Always stay process oriented. Very nice on Tesla. Let's get a very nice push here. Very nice push. Look at that sink. Trend looks healthy. Trend looks healthy. Healthy trends continue. Healthy trends continue. Healthy trends. Take a little profit there. Very nice. I like trading Tesla. Got one more Tesla contract here. Let's see how it rolls out. Look at that on SPY. Man, got stomped out on that trade. Be careful at this level, guys. Daily structure. If it breaks, it's going to sink. Once again, just following the strategy. Following the strategy. When the strategy tells me to get in, I get in. When the strategy tells me to get out, I get out. Take profits, get paid in the meantime. If I get my edge to present itself again, I'll hop in another. I'll add another contract. I just love, like, you guys see this blue line here on the 1 hour. The 1 hour's tight, guys. This thing can really keep going. It can really keep going. Let's see. This level on SPY though, guys, if you guys are in the SPY trade and you have multiple cons, it's definitely probably oh man, we're about to snap it. Come on. Let's snap it. Let's snap it. I'm actually glad I traded Tesla because those SPX cons and SPY cons, they're just they're so expensive, but not only that, like, I don't know if you guys seen, but yesterday I took a long play, and I was on my position. I was literally up like $1.50, but my premiums were literally at break even, and it's because all that volume, right? That volume, it plays such a big role. I mean, and you know, like just a little move, right? Think like we have the tools, guys. This move right here on Tesla paid 40%. Let me see. Let me see if I go here. Oh, we about to get another GBI here on Tesla. Let's get another GBI. Let's get another GBI. Member chat, where we at? Get it, Oasis. I know my boy's getting paid. Oh, here goes SPY. She's about to break it. I'm looking for her to pull these Tesla cons down here a little bit. As crazy as the volume looks, The candles aren't like that's why I focus on the candles at all times. Let me see here. Nice, very nice move here on Tesla. Very nice. Stop is going directly above. Let's see. SPY break in 517.19. Can she hold? Remember, guys, this is an important daily time frame. So if anybody's in SPY, just play that accordingly, right? Don't go full retard, right? Take your profit, lock it in. What I tell you guys too about that morning short play? I was like, dude, that initial green bar right there is gonna get respected. And you know what? I may have got stomped out, but what this shows me is that my strategy works, right? And when my strategy works, that's all I gotta worry about. I don't care. I really don't care. Like yesterday, I took a loss, and I'm like, yo, did you execute your strategy? Yeah. All right. Well. Does the strategy work well? Yeah. Then I have nothing to worry about come tomorrow. As long as I execute my strategy, I have nothing to worry about. Ever. So, I mean, the moral of the story is repeatable approaches are gonna always pay. You know what I'm saying? Great job, Darren. Great job. All right, Tesla. Let's see if you can keep pushing here. I'm going for that 24344 target. Yeah, cow. I feel you. I was up like 30, right around 30% on that trade, and it ended up getting me. But you know what? All good. Not defined by a losing trade. Nope. Defined by my process. Every single time. Every single time. Oasis, my boy's killing it. I love it. I love it, bro. Back on HPT here for like 2 months. Boy's printing. I really want to get together tomorrow. I mean, we always get together for the webinar, and even if you guys can't make it, it's fine. I get it. It's Saturday. But I really want to discuss long plays, right? I really want to discuss that. There's a lot of opportunity right now in the market. And I really think, you know, with the skills and tools we have, it's probably a good idea to discuss. I might be taking profits here just to, you know, there's no point in giving money back, guys, right? I got a very strict break even stop on my last Tesla contract at 249. I don't want to give any money back on my remaining contract. So, and that's okay. It's okay. One of my biggest issues was not being able to drop the ego. Like, dude, don't give money back, right? Like, obvious, but hold accordingly, right? Obviously. But there's no need to give money back, right? Like, it's going to happen, you know, especially when you break that barrier and you start holding on to your, like, winning positions. But at the same time, learn to drop the ego and be okay with a, you know, a $200 winner. You know, some of my best months are just filled with 200, like 250s, 300s, like not crazy returns. If I stomp out on break even on this trade, I think I'm gonna make like $160. That's fine. That's okay because the system's repeatable. I don't like this level here on SPY, this daily structure level. This is a very important daily time frame level. And it looks like Tesla's getting a little play here as well off pre-market low. So I'm going to exit my last contract here around 250. If not, I'm just going to keep holding it. Look at the cloud. Clouds are holding. Never a big thing too, guys, because this used to happen to me a lot. Like when you get on a winning streak, and I mean like you got like a week, or it can even be like 2-3 days of consistency. Like, you know, say you got a week of consistency in. This happened to me because the last month, March, I fucking killed it. I had like my best month ever trading. You know, just really just executing the strategy, you know, just really landing some really big trades too. Month of March, I did exceptionally well. So, coming into this week, I've noticed, I'm liking this on Tesla, very healthy trend here. And just to update, my stop loss is going to go directly above this 5-minute. Right, so stop's going. Notice how I constantly am adjusting my stop based on the candles. But back to what I was saying, a winning streak can be more detrimental than a losing streak, and I'm gonna tell you why. Because when you start winning, and this is why you have to, I don't know, in my opinion, you have to pull money out of your account, and maybe it's just me, but so I don't know if you guys know, but I like to keep $2,500 in my account. And then whatever's above that, I take out at the end of the week, right? I like my nice number is 2,500. And I'm gonna tell you why. Contracts cost me anywhere from like $1,200 currently, $1,200 to like $2,000, but they usually cost like $700, $800. So $2,500 gives me the appropriate amount of capital to place 3 positions, right? 1 contract, etc. So what that does for me is when I start making good money, I make sure I'm getting paid. We don't do this to look cool. We do this to make money. So make sure you program your mind to get paid. Meaning, pull money out of your account. I don't care if it's $20. Learn how to ACH money out of your account. This is very important. Think of a child, for those of you that have kids. If you have a child and they do something you're proud of and you don't reward them, you're not teaching them to do it again, right? Your brain will create neurological pathways. It will program itself to make those decisions subconsciously when you pay yourself accordingly. So what I'm saying is, if you're not paying yourself, you're not programming your mind appropriately. You have to pay yourself. And for those of you doing fundeds, I'm not sure how that works. But find a way to reward yourself, right? Like, you know, we've talked about it before. A cash account on Schwab is phenomenal because I literally, and I don't even have to pull the money out because I have a debit card, but getting the direct deposit into my bank is it's a good feeling, even if it's for $200-$300. Like Because I know one day it's going to be for 2 grand, 3 grand, 50 grand, 100 grand. But we have to get in the practice. We got to start going through the motions, right? It's like if you learn to kickflip on your skateboard. You want to kickflip a stair set, you got to go through the motions on the board, right? It's the same exact thing. So get in the sellers are doing good here. Get in the habit of paying yourself. Very nice. Taking profit at 24344. Let's go. Healthy trends continue. I'm interested if anyone's in SPY. How those contracts? How they paying? Because this volatility has been garbage. It literally affects it drastically. Two, 4, 3, 4, 4. Let's get that push. Very nice. Very nice. SPY's struggling a little, but when she breaks, she's going to go. Let's go. Let's go, Tessie. Let's go. Very simple trade, man. Felt effortless, and that's how it's supposed to feel. Dead ass. $517.9 breaks, guys. I literally 510 is the target. Let's go, Tesla. We up about 58% on this. 58% on this Tesla trade. Very nice. Oh, that's lovely. Got to love it. Got to love it. Executing the strat. SPX breaking a critical level here, guys. Very important. Healthy trends continue. Healthy trends continue. Healthy trends continue. Very nice. Push. Very nice. Very nice. That's the target. That's a take profit. I'm going to hold it. But if you're in Tesla, that's a great spot to take profit. Target acquired. Probably spelled acquired wrong. Yep. Healthy trends. Come on. There we go. Let's get it. Let's get it. Guys, this level breaking on SPY is critical. It's very critical. Push. Push. Very nice. That's another GBI right there on SPY. And the market continues to sink, and we continue to make money. Haha. It pays to have the proper knowledge. Let me find the bearish target here on Tesla. Oh my god. Oh god. Do you guys ever, like, when you're in a position, start, struggling to do other things? I think I'm gonna lock this in here. Yeah. I'm gonna take this. I'm out. That was a good one. That was a really good play. That was a very good play. I'm not playing with this level here on SPX. This is a very important level. It's what happened yesterday. We broke below a level and it just grabbed tons of liquidity. That's not to say it's not going to keep going. It's just there's no point in trying to be, you don't need the biggest trade to be consistent, right? So I love you guys. Thank you for coming to this live. This was really good. This was a great live. It was challenging. Started the day with a loss, but we came back, right? And that's what it's all about. It's all about not giving up. It's all about not letting the loss define you. It's about executing appropriately. Execute. The trader that can take 5 L's in a row and still execute his strategy, that's a $1 million trader, hands down. Look at how that 9's being respected here. This might be a add-in on Tsla or re-entry. Just look at that trend. Like, if we can learn, guys, to program our mind and know, hey, when this trend's healthy, there's a higher chance that it continues, right? Like, that concept, I know a lot of traders struggling with holding positions. That concept changed my life. Like building the belief that as long as that 9 gets respected, I stay in. I got out. I'm out. I booked it, but it's still very good to watch. This is a possible re-entry here. But I'm gonna shut the live down, guys. I got to go look at a house. I'm trying to buy a house. I love you guys. Thank you for coming. The Discord's growing, so I appreciate everybody leading from the front, right? Like, we're starting to get a lot of new members. We got like 3 new members this week. And the thing is like these guys, they're coming to this team and they need guidance, right? Like, we got to show them. So I appreciate you guys being on your A game. I appreciate you guys, talking about the strategy, helping them, right? Like, really start to, understand how it works, why execution is so important. You guys make up this team, especially you veteran HPT members. You guys have been here for a while. It's because they see me do it, and that's cool. But when they see the other traders on the team following the principles and executing the strategy appropriately and then making money, it's just that much better. So I really want to just say I appreciate you guys a lot, right? And I hope you guys have a phenomenal weekend. I'm going to be updating in the market if I see anything else. And don't put yourself in any vulnerable scenario. It's Friday. Friday has ruined more retail traders than any other day of the week. So once again, don't go full retard. Just be patient. See your strat. Execute. All right, guys. Webinar tomorrow at 11 a.m. Eastern. Let's talk power plays.